Welcome back to Bike Rush Pro 1, your trusted source for honest and latest bike reviews. Today, we're checking out the Honda Shine 100DX 2026, a smart, stylish, and super efficient commuter bike. Design and looks 015 to 040. The new Shine 100DX gets a sportier fuel tank, fresh graphics, and chrome touches around the headlamp. It looks modern yet simple, perfect for daily riders. Honda also made the seat longer and softer for better comfort for both rider and pillion. Engine and performance. This bike runs on a 98.9cc air-cooled engine producing 7.6 HP and 8.05 Newton-meters torque. With fuel injection and silent start a CG motor, it's smooth, quiet, and delivers 65 to 70 kilometers all mileage. A perfect mix of power and efficiency for city rides. Features: you get ESP technology, combi brake system, tubeless tires, and a maintenance-free battery. At just 99 kilograms, it's lightweight and super easy to handle, ideal for men, women, and daily commuters. Comfort and price. The Shine 100DX offers a soft suspension and upright seating for maximum comfort. Expected price? Around $70,000 to $75,000 ex-showroom. If you want a budget-friendly, reliable, and fuel-efficient commuter, this one's a great choice. That's all for today. Like, share, and subscribe to Bike Rush Pro 1 for more honest reviews. Ride safe and stay tuned.